Hi Kamara babes, and welcome back to my channel. The hair that I will be doing today is from Alipearl. This hair is 99J Body Wave. It's a 5x5 lace closure. It's a burgundy and red lace closure, Brazilian virgin human hair. The density is 180. The price is $175.80. This is also an 18-inch, ladies. Y'all, this hair is so thick. I love it. I love the colors for summer. So get ready for this install. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. And let's get ready for this install. Hi guys, you have made it to the install part. So let me tell you guys exactly what I did right here. So I don't have the cap pulled completely down, just so I can explain to you guys exactly what I did. So I just put on the regular stocking cap. Of course, I did my ears, cut the whole pieces out. I sprayed, got to be glued up under my cap and on top of my cap. I also put the ghost bun glue here around the edges. That helps to not lift the cap easily. So if I take this wig off and put on another one, it would exactly be here in the same length of time. So as you guys know, this is the hair that I will be installing. This is some beautiful hair, you guys. It is super thick. So this density is to the limit. It is what it is. I am feeling the vibe of this color. It is super, super pretty. And I cannot wait to install it. So what I'm gonna start doing first is plucking. So let's get straight into it. Yes, ladies, we have made it to the end results. What do y'all think? I need to know what you all think in the comments. For me, it's a 10 out of 10. It's a 10 out of 10 for me, y'all. The colors, the density, I love thick, braided hair. This hair, even though I worked with it, it still remained bouncy. Y'all, this was an 18-inch, and the inches to me seemed a little bit longer, which I love. So you're gonna get every bit of what you pay for. So you guys, there's nothing else that I can say about this hair, but it's beautiful and I love it. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, please leave that in the comments. Thank you guys for coming to watch this channel. Thank you guys just for coming to watch. Thank you guys for supporting me. I love this hair. Get you some, girl, because I'm loving it. All the information will be in the link in the bio. Love you guys.